Tesla Fremont Factory surrounded by union protesters. Tesla's Fremont Factory was surrounded by pro-union protesters on Labor Day, who stood outside the company's production facility in Northern California, calling out the fact that it is the only American car company not tied with the UAW. Protesters are calling for unionization inside the plant as they blame layoffs and Elon Musk's wealth for taking advantage of production line associates. Nasim Nouri with the Green Party of Santa Clara County said via NBC Bay Area, "This is what we need in this country, because workers actually create the wealth. Billionaires don't, executives don't, shareholders don't." Unions and pro-union protesters have attempted to turn the Fremont factory into a unionized facility for several years. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has encouraged the UAW to hold a vote at the factory to see if workers would want to form a union. The UAW has yet to do so. "Our real challenge is Bay Area has negative unemployment. So if we don't treat and compensate our awesome people well, they have many other offers and will just leave. I'd like hereby to invite UAW to hold a union vote at their convenience." However, there was some controversy at the plant a few years back as the National Labor Relations Board, NLRB, said the automaker broke laws by ruling that employees could not wear union shirts while at work. The U.S. Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit ruled last year that Tesla was not violating any federal labor laws. The lack of presence by the UAW at the Fremont factory and at Tesla as a whole has led to the company being less than recognized by many political leaders, including Joe Biden. Tesla also underwent some major scrutiny in Europe as it refused to sign a collective bargaining agreement in Sweden. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.